I am Blair Pinson, and my stage name is Blazin Blair. I have been performing in this area since, I'd say 2014. My style of music would be, that's always a hard question, singer-songwriter style, so anything that would fall in that realm. So like folk, just whatever I'm feeling, because it can change from song to song. Big influence is Billy Joel, Meatloaf, and Freddie Mercury, and those are the trifecta. Well, both of my grandparents made me want to pursue music. My stage name Blazin Blair, my papa, that was my nickname for him, and so he would help take me to guitar lessons, and my granddaddy paid for the guitar lessons, and so that's how I got into music and wanted to keep doing it. The West Tennessee music scene is unique in that every time I've played a show versus if I were to go somewhere else, it is so much easier to approach somebody without feeling like you are not worthy. Music has gotten me through every hard time, every single one. I can't think of a hard time where it hasn't helped in some way, especially songwriting, because a large portion of my songs, if you listen to the lyrics, it's just pieces of my life. Some of them are rough, but it's all very, very personal. Because I feel like if you aren't in it, in the lyrics, then I'm not sure what's going on, because I just can't relate to it. When I'm writing a song, usually I will immediately write lyrics first and foremost. So I'll just sit down, and mainly it starts like a poem, and then I'll try my best to throw music on top of it, and I hope it sounds good. Today I'm gonna be doing Stevie, and it is a song I wrote while I was heavily playing in the bar scene here in Jackson. And it's, I was listening to a whole lot of Stevie Nicks, which is why it's called Stevie. But it's about playing on stage and becoming that, essentially. Damn